wake up in the morning, 5 o'clock, 5 months. Wake up in the morning. The other women wake up in the morning, go school, go work. Grandmom wake up in the morning, school. Now, school times. That's why you go run. Now you come back, you catch the two beautiful. Hey, go. Before you sit down, I speak English. Before you sit down home, go there, open the TV, make this, only at home. Only at home. 5 years long. 5 years only at home. Now, the life is not simple. Not simple. Go work. When these two beautiful say, give me this, you give. Because talk too much, the small, not the last small one, the other one. Talk too much. When she say, go there, you go there. When she says sit down, you go sit down. When she say, I need this, you buy. Now, everybody know. Yeah? Everybody, you understand the baby? You understand the baby girl? You understand? Yeah? Before, it's very simple. Sit down home, open the TV, show TV, make some breakfast, lunch. Oh, I'm this. Okay, 24 hours home. Yeah, you are a very, very good man. Now, it's not simple. You understand, Magraf? You understand. No, the life is not simple. Okay. Every right person know how do you make the work. You can do it. You can't do it. I cannot this. No. Do it. 50. 50 is not allowed to talk. That's why I don't talk. It's not allowed. When somebody talk here, hey, problem. Now the big problem. Now the big problem. That's why the other girl gets no work. Now work not in social media. You wanna show? Do it. Show me. Show me. No, very, very hard, baby girl. Very, very hard. This is German. Right of women. This is German. Not joke. Edige posted now on the telephone. It is not simple now. Not simple. The teacher, she see like this, everything here, everything. She see. She know everything. Wake up Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock, no car, go work. Hey, come on, go. Come on. I have experienced 3 months. 3 months I have experienced. Hey, go. Hey. Now you know how you have these two beautiful. Now you are right or not. Test that. Now really, very, very hard. I swear. No, very, very hard. These people see everything for outside. YouTube. Is this good? This is very good. This is very good. No. This is very good. No, very, very good. Very, very good. No. I swear. Now. Control. Every morning. Morning in the night. Morning in the night. Control. How's two beautiful? Oh, good. Go back. 2 times in the one day. Yeah. By me. Oh, are you? How are you? How I say I'm fine. I'm fine. Seriously, how I say I'm fine. I'm fine. Everything is good. You are grandma. We know. You know everything is good. I say everything is good. Go back. 1 week later coming. Now this day, the other home 2 times. Morning and night. Morning and night. Oh, it's good. Good. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Look. How. This is German. This is German. ምን አርገሽ ነው የምትጠይ? ምን አርገሽ ነው ሳራጌ የምትጠይ? ምን አርገሽ? ምን አርገሽ ነው የምትጠይ? አይስወር እኔ እኮ የምጠላ ሰው አይደለሁም። ያ it's very hard now. I swear, very very hard. Everybody cry. አማርኛ አልገባንም እንግሊዘኛ እሱንም ይሻላችሁ ካልሆነ ገደል ለምንገባው ካወራን ከዚህ በኋላ በዚህ እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ላይ nobody talk like this no before no እግዚአብሔር ነው ያዛቸው እኔ አይደለሁም እግዚአብሔር መጎሳቸውን ጨምሮ you know ልጅ ምን እንደሚፈልግ ታውቃላችሁ? ፍሪ ማድረግ ነው የሚፈልገው። የልጅ አምላክ እኮ ነው እናንተን ራሱ የሚያኖራችሁ። ለልጆቹ የሆነ ነገር እንኳን አደጋ ላይ ታችሁ እንደሆነ ያ ምንም የማያውቁ ምንም ማምለጥ የማይችሉ ሰው ልጆች ተርፈው ታያላችሁ። የልጆቻችሁ ግፍ ግን አያኖራችሁ። ስለዚህ ለካ እንግሊዘኛ እንደዚህ ደስ ይላል። yes ራሚ yes me yes yes me yes me በጣም እየተስካካን እኮ ነው። አሁን እንደዚህ እንላለን በቃ where I am go where I make vacation እንላለን me and my daughter what I do አሸክማትና እዚህ ሀገር የለም አሸክሞ መሄድ ነው ቆንጆ no we cannot baby ማንም ለማንም አይሸከም ማንም ለማንም it's not allowed it's not allowed ስታሸክሚ ትከፍያለሽ ወይ ለዘላለም አሳልፈሽ ትሰጫለሽ መሸከም የሚፈልግ ይሸከም ይከፍላል አብረሽ ነው የምትሸከሚው እዚህ ሀገር ሴት ልጅ የምትሸከሙ 9 ወር ብቻ ነው በወዷ ከዛ በኋላ አብረሽ ነው የምትሸካከሚው you go work you go school and then you become support but ቡና እየጠጡ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ቲክቶክ ብቲ ትሸከማለሽ that is it this is Deutschland it's not allowed baby you have grandmom you are grandfather you are big family it is not allowed it is not allowed it is allowed when you say no I cannot and then it's allowed to give but not like this no sit down take your yes say God like Ethiopia ያ እናውራ ሰርተን ግን እናሳይሻለን no you have that no you have that take next week now take it you see I don't have this because I don't have this I don't no take now this one this is German እኔ ወንድ ብሆን ጀርመን ሀገር እቆርጠዋለሁ መዳንለም እቆርጠዋለሁ እሷ አይደል ለጣጣ ገለጣብኝ እቆርጠዋለሁ እኔ ወንድ ብሆን እዚህ ሀገር የአሜሪካኖቹን አላውቅም እኔ እዚህ ሀገር ወንድ ብሆን እቆርጠዋለሁ መዳንለም እቆርጠዋለሁ እኔ ዘር ማውጫውን ምናምንም አላጠፋው ቁርጥ ነው ማረገው አስወግደዋለሁ ስንቱ ህይወቱ አሁን እዚህ ላይ የምታዩቸው በሙሉ የምታዩት ወንድ በሙሉ ማለት ነው ለምንድን ነው ስራ የማይሰራው ይሰራል፣ ይከፍላል ወይ ቁጭ ብሎ ቴክ ኬር ያደርጋል ዊዛውት